911.
Hi, I just wanted to report that I was driving down Court Street and I saw a Caucasian man with white hair and pajama pants walking with what looks like an AK-47.
911, where's your emergency?
Yes, I'd like to report something. There's an elderly man walking down the street with it looks like to be an assault rifle. I don't know if it's a BB gun, a pellet gun, or whatnot, but I mean, he's older, he's an elderly man, and I just want to make sure everything's going to be alright.
Sir, does he just has it over his shoulder? He doesn't have it in his hands or pointing it at anybody or anything like that?
He's not pointing it. It's up on his shoulder, facing the sky, but there's no sling to it.
Yeah.
He does appear to be intoxicated. He's stumbling around a little bit, kind of bumping into some stuff.
Okay. And last you saw him was right in front of the Dairy Queen?
Yes, I'm watching right now, just down the street. He's directly in front of the Dairy Queen.
I can have somebody block down Court Street from the east and the west, please.
Hey, partner, how you doing?
We're on Fire Channel. Do you have traffic?
Can you set that down real quick and talk to me? Okay. Well, you can't cross the street like that. Yes, you are being detained right now. You're crossing the street illegally. Place the weapon down on the ground, please. Place the weapon down on the ground. Alright, it sounds like he won't put the gun down. I caught him crossing the street illegally. Place the weapon down on the ground, please. Place the weapon down on the ground. Alright, have you
You're all being detained.
I'm asking you to put the gun down on the ground. Look, you crossed the street illegally. I just want to talk to you. I just want to talk to you. Walking around here scaring people, man. I understand your rights, and I'm not trying to violate your rights. Okay, but you're crossing the street, marching around. You can't cross the street like that. Well, you need to put the weapon down before I talk to you. Okay. Do you have some identification on you? You have no ID on you whatsoever. Why are you carrying around a weapon without any identification? Well, you have the right, but you can't cross the street like that. I need you to put the gun down before I talk to you about that. You're being aggressive towards me. Sir, can you take your car and drive over there, please? You have committed a crime. You're jaywalking. Okay. Right. What's your name, bud? What's that? Joe Schmo? Okay. You know you're required to identify yourself if I have identified you committing a crime. Okay. You jaywalked.
1612.
Okay. We don't need to go this route, man. I'm not coming near you with a rifle shouldered on you. No, you're not free to go. Right now you're committing a crime of resisting and obstructing. So now you've stepped up to a misdemeanor crime. I don't want to shoot you. I'm not here to do that. I'm not here to do that, man. Right. 46. I have a reason to identify him. He's providing with his name. He's currently swearing at me. He still has the right to shoulder it.
Radio's clearing it. I still have code 10.
We're in front of the auto.
10-4 in front of the auto zone.
Folks, I need you all to go inside. If that gun is live and he starts firing, everybody's at risk. Thank you. What? And that's not helping your case any. Have you been drinking today? Okay. Well, then why are we acting like that? We've been using drugs? Okay, well then why are we acting like that? Why are we acting like that? Why are you so angry? Why are you cursing at me? Okay, I'm not here to fight a revolution. I'm here to protect the citizens of the city. That's it.
Lincoln 3 skipper.
You can't, unfortunately, we're beyond that point, sir. We're beyond that point.
Disregard whether you move in position.
Okay. Well, what do you want me to do? I'm asking you to put the gun down and be reasonable. That's all I'm asking. We've been here for 5 minutes. I'm asking nothing but reasonable things from you.
If you got your rifle.
How am I acting like a prick? I'm not in a gang. You've scared every single person in this community right now.
Usually they're working late, come up to our face to face.
I would like you to put your gun on the ground and we'll come talk about it. That's all I'm asking you to do, sir. That's all I'm asking you to do. What is your date of birth? Well, sir, I have a reason to get your identification now. When you crossed the street, you did so illegally. Yeah, but I can't do that without your name. So I have a reason to ask for your name now. That has nothing to do with the gun, but I will not approach you with that gun shoulder with your hostility towards me. That's not going to happen. I'm not going to die because you're angry with me. That is not going to happen today.
Rescue Townsend.
Put the gun down on the ground and I will talk to you like a man. You are not free to go. No, sir. You are not free to go.
Slow it down from the airport through next auto.
But just put the gun down so we can talk about this. Why do we have to act like this? What is our problem?
13, apartment 113.
I'm not acting. I'm responding to a call. 3 people called because you're marching around with this gun on your shoulder. Scaring the bejesus out of everybody. And then you cross the street right in front of me improperly. And now you want to curse and yell at me, and I haven't even said word one to you. You started cursing at me right away.
I'll be an open carry situation where the subject is not complying with lawful command.
So, we established the fact that I have a reason to detain you. You are being detained, right? So you know, based on your studying of this open carry law, that if I have, listen to me, if I have a reason to detain you, that you need to follow my lawful orders. Is that correct? Sir, do you understand that you need to follow my lawful orders? And I'm giving you a lawful order to put the gun down and identify yourself. And you are not following that for what reason? Okay. You are resisting and obstructing at this moment.
Peter, is this the guy that you guys deal with?
You are resisting and obstructing at this moment. Do you understand? He'll expose his name. And it's his fucking right to do what he's doing. Fuck you, grabbing his, he ain't going home. Do whatever you need to do. It won't take nothing. That's where we're at.
Only has to be advised, this is the open carry subject. He's obviously considered dangerous.
What he
Now,
is,
Skipper is the only one that's used force, and that's on my direction. Or on example said.
No, sir, not yet. Can I talk to you for a second? So he's doing the march in front of people. He sees me. He gets on the road. He crosses. The angle went farther. A couple of them had to slow down. Not him. Gets to there. I make contact with him and do this again. So I identify him with. Okay. My name is Joshua. I got 2 here.
Sergeant Wells is in place. He's speaking with the subject. Subject's agitated. He is exercising his open carry rights. However, he has certainly overextended them at this point.
I'm the other time to withdraw. If I walk up there and try to talk to this guy, that's going to be against every fucking bone in my body. What we should do, although I trusted John to shoot his ass.
Alright, John, I'm going to walk across. And he's agreeing to not touch the rifle. Roger? John, nod your head, yes? Chris, keep your camera on it. John, you can stay in place. The rest of you can clear.